2013 Ford Escape. Gas engines flex, tow, sip and go with Ford Escape. This vehicle has less than 140,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, one owner, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, rear window defroster, power windows, CD player, fog lights, electronic stability control, compass, trip computer, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.